Mosquitoes are literally ruining your summer nights. And those chemical sprays, they're poisoning your family. Here are 7 plants that will make mosquitoes disappear naturally. Now I've been gardening for decades, and I can tell you that Mother Nature has provided us with some incredible solutions. These plants don't just repel mosquitoes, they're beautiful additions to your garden that smell wonderful to us humans. Let's start with number 7, and work our way to the most powerful natural mosquito deterrent. Number 7. Marigolds. These cheerful orange and yellow flowers contain pyrethrum, a natural compound that mosquitoes absolutely hate. Plant them around your patio or in containers near your outdoor seating areas. They're perfect for hot climates like Texas and Florida, thriving in full sun and requiring minimal water once established. Number 6. Catnip. This might surprise you, but catnip is 10 times more effective than DEET at repelling mosquitoes. The nepetalactone in catnip creates a natural barrier that mosquitoes won't cross. Plant it in your herb garden, but be prepared. Your neighborhood cats will love you for it. Number 5. Rosemary. This Mediterranean herb isn't just for cooking. The woody scent that we find so appealing in our kitchen is exactly what keeps mosquitoes away. In Southern California and other warm regions, rosemary grows year-round as a beautiful drought-tolerant shrub. Crush a few sprigs and rub them on your skin for instant protection. Number 4. Peppermint. The menthol in peppermint creates a cooling sensation we love, but mosquitoes find it overwhelming. Plant it in containers because it spreads aggressively. In humid states like Louisiana and Georgia, peppermint thrives in partial shade and provides natural air conditioning for your garden. Number 3. Basil. Sweet basil, lemon basil, cinnamon basil, they all work beautifully. The essential oils in basil leaves are so potent that just having the plants nearby creates a mosquito-free zone. Plus, you'll have fresh herbs for your summer cooking. It's a win-win situation that any sustainable gardener appreciates. Number 2. Citronella grass. This is the plant that citronella candles try to imitate, but nothing beats the real thing. This tall, graceful grass releases its lemony scent naturally, especially when the wind blows through it. It grows beautifully in large containers and can reach 4 feet tall, creating a living privacy screen that mosquitoes won't penetrate. And number 1. Lavender. This is my personal favorite and the most effective natural mosquito repellent. The beautiful purple flowers and incredible fragrance make it a garden showstopper, while the linalool and linalolyl acetate compounds send mosquitoes packing. Lavender thrives in well-drained soil and full sun, making it perfect for American gardens from coast to coast. Here's the beautiful thing about these plants. They're not just functional, they're gorgeous. You're creating a garden that serves your family's health while providing beauty, fragrance, and in many cases, fresh herbs for your kitchen. That's what I call smart, sustainable living. Plant these 7 natural mosquito repellents around your outdoor spaces, and you'll reclaim your summer evenings without a single chemical spray. Your family will thank you, and so will the environment.